All right, in this question, we're looking at the keyword. Well, let's read it first. Which of the following elements has the highest electronegativity? So there's my keyword, electronegativity. And we can find electronegativity on table S. I'm just going to pull table S up here for you. So table S has electronegativity that's listed right here. Whoops, that's not a highlighter. Let's get a highlighter. And then you have all the values of the electronegativities. Now there are some more that are cut off on this page, but if I need them, I'll go and grab them for us. All right, this is what I suggest you do when you get a question like this and it's directly reading off of the table. You're going to look up the electronegativity of hydrogen. Hydrogen's electronegativity is 2.2. So you're going to write it right next to the number. Then you're going to look up potassium's electronegativity, and potassium's electronegativity is 0.8. You're going to write it right next to potassium. You're going to look up aluminum's electronegativity, which is 1.6, and you're going to write 1.6. And then you're going to look up calcium's electronegativity, which is 1.0. Now we'll go back to the question. It is asking me for the highest electronegativity. Well, the highest electronegativity that we have here is hydrogen at 2.2, so there's my answer.